Hello everyone, this is Shubhangi Tiwari from Smart Step Classes, and again here we are among you all to share a complete tutorial on your IELTS speaking test. So guys, as you know that your IELTS test is divided into 2 days test. One day you'll be heading your test center to appear for listening, reading and writing. And one fine day, maybe 4 days before or 4 days after or within the duration of 1 week, you are supposed to go and attend your IELTS speaking test. But how exactly IELTS speaking happens? What are the points that the assessors are actually looking up on the basis of which they are going to do your assessment? So guys, first point. IELTS speaking is the one module जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा scoring capacity Indian students के पास होती है, because we have been in the habit of using English as a communicative language since the very early age of our life. So how it is divided into 3 different parts? Stay tuned to the complete video to have a complete understanding and tips and tricks to be followed which can help you enhance your speaking skills. So guys, सबसे पहले आपका जो IELTS speaking है, that is divided into 3 categories. Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3. टोटल जो आपका इवैल्यूएशन होता है उसमें से 60% इवैल्यूएशन पार्ट 2 के बेसिस पे होता है एंड 40% इवैल्यूएशन डिपेंड्स ओवर पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 3. So let's start with part 1 and what are the criteria, the questions and all. So part 1 is most of the time considered to be as a part wherein they are going to have a general interaction. I've seen some of the counselor trainers and candidates claiming it to be an interview session, but trust you me, if you'll consider it as an interview, you're not going to run through it. You have to add it and you have to conceive the format of the examination as it is going to be an interactive session between you and the assessor. Now, when I say it is an interaction, so the first question, the moment you'll be entering into the room, the first question he's going to ask you, always remember that 5 to 7 seconds of time is a general interaction which is not going to be a part of your evaluation, so feel free. So when the assessor is asking you, may I have your name, please take your complete name. If he's asking you, where are you from, never ever mention your small city, area or location. Always talk in whole and tell the name of your country. So say that my name is Shubhangi Tiwari from India. Okay. Next is, can you give me the reference ID or the identification number? Provide your IELTS, provide your passport number there. Once this much is being done, then the evaluation start, and before the part 1 will start, the assessor is going to inform you that this is the part 1 we are starting for the speaking test, and here after the evaluation will start. So first part में जो question आपसे पूछे जाएंगे, they are generally going to be a 5 to 7 questions round, जिसमें the more they are going to ask you which is something related to your day-to-day life. It can be your work, it can be your education, it can be your friends, family, neighborhood, country, your thoughts, moral values, everything or anything, but specifically related to your individuality. So they are not going to ask you any technical question. जब वहां पे आपके क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा, don't give the answer in 1 to 2 sentences. Always give the answer in minimum 5 to 7 sentences, और अगर टाइम के हिसाब से मैनेज करना देखेंगे आप, so minimum one answer should be 40 to 50 seconds answer. So let's suppose if they are asking you that how do you like your hometown, or tell me about your hometown, don't immediately start jumping into the answering format. However, use some or the other template lines, right? So that's a good question, and I always like to talk about my hometown. So in the meanwhile you are speaking these sentences, your back of the mind can work on generating the other ideas, the relevant ideas on the topic which you can eventually speak, right? So all the answers are going to be minimum 30 to 50 seconds of time, and make sure that the length of the answer is this much. After that, all the question, 4 to 5 question are going to be related to the same topic. So let's suppose अगर assessor ने आपसे hometown के बारे में first question पूछा है, तो फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ सारे क्वेश्चंस आपके होम टाउन के इर्द गिर्द ही होंगे. सो मे बी योर होम टाउन, मे बी द हिस्ट्री ऑफ योर होम टाउन, समथिंग विच इज रिलेटेबल. नाउ देयर यू जंप इनटू द सेकेंड पार्ट विच इज सेड टू बी अ क्यू कार्ड. नाउ क्यू कार्ड में गाइज यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ टॉपिक विच इज, you have to deal it as an extempore. You will have 60 seconds of time to prepare for it, and you will have to speak on that for up to 2 minutes. But what are the points that you are going to consider? So you can refer to the other videos which are uploaded to our channel. If you would want me, I will repeat it once again. But there we have shared the list of 5 wives and 1 husband, which is a strategical approach towards handling the क्यू कार्ड. क्यू कार्ड में आपसे कोई Q&A नहीं होगा. So whatever you are going to speak, just speak, and after that the assessor is not going to cross question you on that. Now jumping on to the third part. थर्ड पार्ट में आपसे set of questions होंगे. Again, it is going to be a 5 to 7 set of question, but most of the time the topic is going to be the extended version of the cue card. So suppose if the cue card topic was, tell me about your favorite family tradition. So here the topic is tradition. So third part में आपसे जो detailing question की जा सकती है, that is going to be on the topic of tradition. So they may ask you about your country's tradition, the tradition that you're very influenced with, the tradition you would like to follow, how the tradition has a value or integrated parts to add value into a child's life. How do you see that youth are influenced with the different tradition which are there in their area? So third part is going to be basically nothing but the extended value, extended informative session of the part 2. So guys, this is the complete set of the speaking course, and if you want some more topics to be covered by us, don't hesitate, drop the topic on the comment section and we'll come back with the same.